Good day everybody, my name is Nick Stathkos and I'm the shop foreman for Upper James Toyota. In this video we will be installing a Toyota TRD lift kit on a 2023 Toyota Tacoma. So what we're doing is we're bringing the vehicle into the shop and removing the tires, and we are also visually inspecting the suspension system prior to installing the Toyota lift kit. Next we'll remove the OEM rear shock and prepare the truck for the installation of the rear leaf spring spacer. At this point, the bespoke TRD cast iron rear leaf spring spacer is installed and the shackles are torqued to the torque spec. Now we're installing the TRD monotube rear shocks, which was co-developed with Bilstein and Toyota Racing Development. And once again, all bolts are lined up and torqued to factory specifications. Rear installation is completed and wheels torqued to factory specifications. Next is the installation of the rear bed mat, followed by the installation of the Predator tube steps, and once again all the bolts are aligned and torqued to factory specifications. Moving on to the front of the vehicle and the removal of the front skid plate, we carefully remove the front shocks from the truck and prepare for disassembly of the OEM front shock from the spring. The TRD monotube shocks are then installed back into the OEM springs and then reinstalled back onto the truck. All bolts are lined up and suspension components are torqued to factory specifications. Front installation is completed and front tires are reinstalled and torqued. At this point, the TRD suspension lift components are installed and completed. The OEM grille is then removed and replaced with a Toyota Heritage front grille. Next, we install a new updated millimeter wave sensor into the grille, and lastly we perform all necessary calibrations and adjustments.